There's a lot of chatter lately about DJI possibly launching a mirrorless camera, which has sparked quite a bit of excitement among photography and videography fans. Known for their drones, action cameras, and gimbals, DJI might be stepping into new territory with a mirrorless camera. But how much truth is there to these rumors, and what could a DJI camera bring to the table? The primary source of these rumors is Andrea Pizzini, a leaker with a notable history of both confirming and debunking tech rumors. While concrete details are still lacking, the prospect of DJI venturing into the mirrorless camera market is certainly intriguing. DJI is well regarded for its innovative approach in other areas, such as drones and gimbals, and a mirrorless camera from them could bring fresh features and advancements to the market. This potential entry could significantly impact the camera landscape. As of now, DJI has neither confirmed nor denied the rumors about a potential mirrorless camera. When asked about it on Reddit, DJI's support team gave a non-committal response. "Hi there, we have not yet received any information related to your question. Please stay tuned to DJI's official website for the latest updates." This response neither confirms nor dismisses the rumors, keeping the possibility open and fueling ongoing speculation. Should DJI decide to enter the mirrorless camera market, it's worth considering what such a camera might entail. Given DJI's track record of producing high-quality and innovative products, particularly their drones and gimbals renowned for exceptional video capabilities, it's reasonable to anticipate that a DJI mirrorless camera would be equally impressive. We could expect very advanced features that enhance both still photography and video recording, aligning with the company's reputation for pushing the boundaries of technology. Speculating about what features DJI might include, it's likely that their mirrorless camera would emphasize video quality and image stabilization, given their background. DJI's drones and gimbals are known for their stability, which could be a major advantage in a new camera. The camera might offer advanced video features, such as high-resolution 6K RAW recording and DJI's D-Log color profile, which would appeal to content creators. Another key area to consider is the camera's sensor and lens mount. DJI is skilled at incorporating compact, high-performance sensors into their devices. For their mirrorless camera, we might see a sensor that balances resolution and size. There's talk of a 42 megapixels micro Four 3 sensor, which could offer a good mix of image quality and compactness. This would put DJI's camera in competition with models like the Sony a7 IV and Canon R5. The lens mount is also important. DJI has used the L mount for their products before, and if they continue with this, it could mean a good selection of lenses from the start. This would be advantageous compared to competitors who launched with fewer lens options. The availability of high-quality lenses could make DJI's camera more appealing. While DJI's potential mirrorless camera might not immediately compete with high-end models from brands like Leica, it's unlikely to be a budget option either. Given DJI's commitment to quality, their camera would likely aim for a balance between performance and pricing. This could attract both professionals and enthusiasts looking for advanced features without the premium price. The mirrorless camera market is crowded, with many strong contenders. For DJI to stand out, their camera will need to offer something special. With their focus on creating compact, high-quality imaging devices, DJI could bring a unique edge to the market. Their advanced video technologies and stabilization features could be a significant advantage. While the rumors about DJI launching a mirrorless camera are exciting, they're still speculative. If DJI does enter this space, its camera is likely to reflect their reputation for innovation and quality. With a focus on both video and high-resolution imaging, DJI could carve out a niche in the mirrorless market. So what do you think? Will DJI succeed in venturing into the mirrorless world? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.